Hello everyone, this is Yamin, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about unique constant in MySQL. So what is unique constant? Unique constant means a certain column cannot have similar data more than alls. It means every column data must be unique. Let me just show you, it will be clear. So here let's go and create a table. Let's say here create table. Our table name will be products, and for the product table we need to have some column. So let me just say here we have product ID, title and price. So let's say here product underscore ID, it will be integer. Then we'll say product underscore title, it will be varchar, and we'll make this product title into a unique constant. So for varchar, let's say here 50 character, let's give a comma, and at last we'll have over here price, and let's say price will be decimal, and for decimal we're going to say here 7,2. It means before the decimal we can have 5 digits. 7 minus 2 equal to 5. So before the decimal we can have 5 digits. Okay, I give a semicolon here. Let me just remove this, and there is the error. So we want this product item to be unique. So for it we need to say here unique, this one, and that's all. So right now let's execute this one, and there you can see product table created successful. Let me just refresh my schemas, and there you go, we have a product table. If I click on column, there you can see product ID, title and price, and click on product. There you can see in the schemas we are able to see the product ID, title and price. So let's go try to insert some value and check whether our product title is unique or not. So here for it we just need to say insert into our table name is products, and for products we have the first of all let's say product underscore ID, then we're going to say product underscore title, then we have the price. So let's go and give some values. So let me say here values, and the values will be for the first product, the ID will be on, and our product will be, let's say, Apple mobile, and the price will be $500.50, $500.50. So let's add a few more values. So let's keep a comma here, then to first bracket we have ID 2, and our input will be this time Pixel mobile, and its price will be, let's say, $600.50. Let's also have Samsung as well. So let's say here ID this time will be 3, and this will be Samsung mobile, and the price for this Samsung will be, let's say, $300.25, and indeed with a semicolon. So here you can see each input over here is unique, especially the name, because our product title is unique. We make our product title unique. So if we try to insert a similar product for the product title, we'll get an error. For example, let me just copy this, and if we now just paste this over here, and let's change the product ID and price to 505. Okay, I forgot to give a comma here. Okay, so let's just execute this one, and there you can see insert into products and values Apple error. There you can see duplicate NP Apple mobile. So it is giving us error for Apple mobile. But if we now remove this and also this comma from here, and if we now execute this, there you can see our insert is successful. So let's go and see the data. So here I'm going to say select star from products. If we now just run this, there you can see we're able to see the product title, which is unique each time. This was unique constant in MySQL. I hope you learned something new. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorial.